In this example, we are asked to solve combined inequalities. We do this much like we did prior with inequalities, only there's going to be a couple extra steps. First, we're going to break this inequality into two separate non-combined inequalities. We'll pair them together in the end. First, we'll do 1, which is going to be negative 6 less than 2x plus 3. Stop before the next inequality. The second is going to be 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 10. This begins right after the first inequality. Let's solve 1 and then 2. For the first one, we're solving for x, in which case we can subtract 3 from both sides, giving us negative 9 is less than 2x, where we can multiply both sides by 1/2, giving us negative 9 over 2 is less than x, or alternatively, x is greater than negative 4 and 1/2. Using the second equation, we can subtract 3 from both sides again, getting 2x is less than or equal to 7. Multiplying both sides by 1/2, we get x is less than or equal to 7/2. Or we can also write that as x is less than or equal to 3 and 1/2. Now, plotting this on the number line, we can do either at this point or after we combine them. If we combine them, all we have to do is make sure that our signs are facing the right directions and go from there. In a combined solution, we're going to have x as our center, less than or equal to, greater. Make sure you always read away from the x. So from the center to the right, we have x less than or equal to, and then we know that's less than or equal to 3 and 1/2. And then from the center to the left, we have x greater than negative 4 and 1/2. So here we have either two separate solutions or the one combined solution. Plotting this is sometimes easier to do from the two separate. If we do this, indicating 0 as our center, we know we need to go from up to 3.5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the negative direction. And then we know that we're going to go from 3.5. It's going to be less than or equal to, so we can do a filled-in circle at 3.5, and it's going to be greater than, but not equal to, negative 4.5. So we have an open circle, and we know that's everywhere in between those two spots.